So, welcome to Malta Week, specifically the MedTech World Symposium happening at the Hilton St. Julian's. And with us we have Dr. Conrad Attard, who is the coordinator of the Masters of Science in Digital Health, happening at the University of Malta. Wow! So, Conrad, what's your MedTech World experience so far?
Well, I met a lot of interesting people, international people working with startups, having a lot of commonalities between our challenges, trying to find solutions and how other people are doing things. This sort of network. We were preparing a bit ahead from the event
I could clearly see.
because it was also an opportunity to meet up. We also got our students to get involved, to go and speak to more people about how is digital health being adopted and used in so many different ways. The debates are very interesting. Keynotes, speeches are like, wow, this is happening and how is this happening? How can I get access to it? Where will we get the effect of this and how will we benefit? This is, I think, the MedTech world in a summary.
Yeah, I really felt there was like a really genuine feel, especially to some of the talks. I was like really strong, like a genuine feel with a story. And with that in mind, how can Malta position itself as a digital health and medtech innovation hub, especially with reflection on the academic sector?
When you see the efforts being done to get digital health, and MedTech is a proof of this, not only in the local spheres, a lot of efforts with different NGOs and parties. We're all the time saying, how can digital health help us? How can we implement it? From where shall we start? So yes, being a small country with this enthusiasm, where healthcare is really, really an important part and well invested, with medical school being a champion, not only locally but internationally, and having so many people that want to digitize systems, I don't know, innovation is there, and we need it more and more. It's not something that we have a limit, and MedTech will affect all this, because MedTech is another venue where people can meet up to exchange these ideas, not only the local aspects, but with the international.
Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, Conrad, so much. And with that in mind, we'll go and see you at the next interview.